你好，同学们 Welcome to Miss Aline's classroom. Today, I'm here to unravel the mysteries and share the rules that govern the strokes and structure of beautiful Chinese characters. Let's dive in. Top to bottom. Left to right. Horizontal strokes before vertical strokes. Left falling strokes before right falling strokes. Outside to inside. Cutting strokes last. Central strokes first. Bottom and closing strokes last. Top or upper left dot first. Inside or upper right dot last. Bottom left and closures last. I hope this quick guide has provided you with valuable insights and techniques to enhance your skills. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and until next time. Bye!